Understanding networking hardware.
Routers and switches are essential devices in any computer network, whether at home or in the office. Each plays a unique role in connecting devices and managing data traffic. Understanding what these devices do and how they're different can help you build a more efficient and secure network.
What is a router?
A router connects your local network, like the one in your house or office, to the wider internet. It directs data to and from the internet, assigns local IP addresses, and often includes features like Wi-Fi, security, and parental controls. Simply put, a router is the traffic manager at your network's entrance.
What is a switch?
A switch connects multiple devices inside the same local network, such as computers, printers, and servers. It forwards data directly between these devices, making sure information gets to the correct destination quickly and efficiently. Switches work best in environments where lots of devices need to communicate reliably.
Why are both devices needed?
Routers and switches work together to create fast, organized networks. The router handles internet access and manages connections to the outside world. The switch keeps local communication running smoothly within your network. Using both ensures every device gets the data it needs without unnecessary delays or conflicts.
Home and office examples.
In a typical home, the router distributes internet access, while a built-in or separate switch connects devices like PCs and smart TVs. In offices, larger switches connect many computers, phones, and printers, all managed by the main router. This setup allows everyone to use network resources and internet safely and efficiently.
Key takeaways.
Routers connect your network to the outside world and manage traffic in and out. Switches link devices within your network, ensuring internal communications are fast and reliable. Together, they form the foundation for secure, high-performing home and office networks.